All right, it's not that we needed a fire tonight, but I wanted one. You know, it's funny when you frame everything up to use the natural light, right? And your dog just keeps moving into your shadow. So I tried to get this all just right, you know, and then tried to get Phoenix in frame and all that. We're just sitting on a bucket out here. Sitting on a bucket, hanging out. Okay, so today is day 10. And part of this, I did this for so many reasons. One, because it seems like something as simple as making your bed and cleaning your room and finishing what you start isn't going to make a change, but it does, and it makes a huge change, and it happens fast. Of course, there's trucks and construction every time we're making a video, but it's the season. In Minnesota, you have 2 seasons. You have winter and construction, and that's it. So there's going to be construction noise. I'd rather be real than in a studio, and yeah, that's part of what makes it personable. Minimal edits, just be real and hang out. So in the last 10 days, I have fenced about 80 feet. I have dug 4 more posts and planted them. I've cemented 4 more in. I'd rather pack it, but I have no drainage on my soil, so that's just the best option I have. At least 4 feet down, pack them. There's other options, but for what I had and the price, that's the way we went. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corner braces up. You can see this one's, whoa, where is it? Come on. This one's braced on the long run here. I could do it here for some symmetry. I don't really have to. You can see it's just kind of pulled over a little bit. But again, it's done. It's up. It's keeping the deer out, and that's the goal. Also, all of these trees I'm pretty excited about. Oh my gosh, my thornless honeylocust has a flower. I've never seen it flower before. And it's just a cute little baby. Look at that. Little nitrogen fixing tree, pretty as can be. The reveal for day 10. These whole 10 days were very, very hard. I was cycling off my antidepressants and anti-anxiety meds that I had been on for years. And so I wanted to work on implementing strategies and stacking choices and lifestyles, ways of living, so that I wasn't depressed and anxious all the time. And one thing that really, really, really helped with that was just these little wins and documenting them. I have a bad habit of not recognizing the work I've done for things or recognizing the effort, right? Things are done or they're not done, and then when they're done, all of a sudden, poof, it's on to the next thing. And that's not a really great way to live. And what I love doing is in the evenings or mornings or whenever I try, you'll see I haven't posted every day, and I'm kind of building up a little bit of a log. And that's okay. If I have to sit on a video and think about it a little more, I'll get it. That's fine. But yeah, it's been incredible. I'm on track to getting to 10K views a day. I thought I would hit that this week. It might be next week, but that's amazing. Yeah, morale is high. Things are going good. The dog is dogging. So the first 10 days were super simple, right? Make your bed, clean your room. I want to do something bigger and better and more like YouTube click-worthy and just like fascinating and like Seth Godin's Purple Cow, remarkable. That's the thing. I want to do something remarkable. Like, wow, look at this guy. Science teacher did this crazy thing. But what's also crazy is just not being crazy and just like going for it and keeping it small and keeping it consistent. And so I want to write more. I want to make more videos. I want to plant more plants. I want to utilize the space better. And all those things are just like slow and snowballing and not remarkable, but super worthwhile. And I think that's okay. The next 10 days, I'm going to continue making my bed, keeping my room picked up. I'm going to stay on top of my laundry. I had friends when I lived in La Crosse, and I went to their house and they're like, it's laundry day. And I was like, what do you mean by laundry day? And they had mountains of laundry all over the place. And I was like, what a horrible way to live. I just do like a small load of laundry every day. I don't always put it away, so I just need to add that. Again, the ultimate goal for me is to actually do some more projects, things that I want to do. I want to build a boat. I want to make a little camper or just go camping more. I want to explore this area. It's beautiful. and people who live here don't appreciate it, and people who don't live here don't know what it's like. I guess little things, and that's okay. So that was it. Day 10. I got a measure for building my gates, and I'm going to be traveling a little bit more, but that's fine. Catch up on laundry. It sounds lame, but it's hilarious how much of a difference it makes. Anyway, that's it. That's simple. Why don't you let me know something below? Let me know something you can work out, something so small, something so easy that you can actually do it. It's these little tiny habits that stack. They're not sexy. They don't get tons of clicks. They don't get a million views, but they make a difference in your life. And I don't know, with these videos, I've found if I can help one person, even if it's someone I'll never meet, or maybe it's even making my own life just a little better when I review everything and think like, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's it. Just make the world a little bit better every day. And I think if we all did that, we'd be amazed at what happens. So happy day 10. Let's do it. All right, it's not that we needed a fire tonight, but I wanted one.